Welcome to Dr. Jennie's Call, where we turn health mysteries into animated adventures. Hey, health hackers, I'm Dr. Jennie, here to demystify hemoptysis, that fancy word for coughing up blood. It's like your lungs throwing a surprise party, with red confetti. Scary, yup, fatal, only if you ignore it. 90% are benign, like bronchitis gate crashing. But today, we're roasting the big three villains: TB, lung cancer, and pulmonary embolism. Think of M as bad roommates fighting over the bronchial Airbnb. Let's evict M with laughs and facts. First up, tuberculosis, or TB, the dramatic diva. Picture a tiny germ from a bad vacation, India, China, blame the buffet. It builds a cavity condo in your upper lung, erodes vessels like a bad breakup, and boom, streaky pink cough. Symptoms: night sweats, zombie mode, weight loss, uninvited diet, fever, hot mess express. X-ray, upper lobe hole like Swiss cheese on steroids. Fix, 6-month ripe party, drugs that cure 95%. Pro tip: if you're HIV plus or globe-trotting, mask up. TB's got commitment issues but loves crowds. Next, lung cancer, the grumpy chain smoker uncle who overstays. 50 to 80% of advanced cases hack up bright red clots, like currant jelly from hell. Why? Tumor invades like a bad sequel, necrosis turns it hemorrhagic. Risks: smoking, 90%. Quit, or it quits you. Age 50 plus, asbestos, old school villain. Signs: hoarse voice, vocal fry from tumor traffic, clubbed fingers, high fives gone wrong, weight loss, cancer's crash diet. X-ray, solitary mass, the uninvited guest. Treatment: early surgery, 95% win, late chemo, immuno, fight like a boss. Fun fact: LDCT screening slashes mortality 20%. Don't be a statistic, be a survivor. Last, pulmonary embolism, P, the sneaky travel blogger who clots your vibe. Uncommon, 5 to 15%, but frothy pink surprise after flights or surgery. Mechanism: blood clot hitchhikes to lungs, infarcts like a bad plot twist, coughs blood from pleural drama. Risks: immobility, couch potato alert, cancer, OCPs, double whammy. Symptoms: sudden dyspnea, can't catch breath panic, leg swell, DVT diva, pleuritic pain, stabby feels. X-ray, often normal, sneaky, CTA rules it out 95%. Fix, heparin zap plus DOACs, 90% survival. Walk on planes, peeps, clots hate cardio. Red flags: massive gush, greater than teaspoon. Stat, position good lung down, TXAIV magic. Mnemonic TLC, treat fast, laugh later, consult pros. Prognosis: TB, 95% cure. Cancer, 25% 5-year, quit smoking. P, 90% with Antico-AG. Prevention: vaccines, no smokes, move it. Cough wisely, friends. I'm Dr. Jennie, signing off with a wheeze-free high five. Questions? Thank you for sticking with Dr. Jennie. For more fun health tales, subscribe, like and leave a comment below.